4 weeks tomorrow.
Okay,
So that means 7 to 8 weeks with the left.
okay, 4 weeks, all right.
Yeah.
And what's your motion like? Can we see what you're able to do? That's 4 weeks, okay. Oh, that's pretty darn good. How about the other one? Excellent, okay. And
Yesterday they measured me at 131.
131 on the
Negative
new.
2.
Excellent, okay. How's your pain?
0.
0, okay, great.
Across the board with both, 0.
0,
And
okay.
my-
See how you walk. Maybe get up, see what your function looks like at 4 weeks. All right, come on down this way to the left.
This way?
Over here. Sorry. That's great. All right, that's.
And Mom is really just astonished at the no bow-leggedness anymore. So
Are you taller also?
I think so. Jacob seems to think that. He's jealous by that. But again, 0 pain. PT is fantastic. The CPM machine, I think, is the key. For me, it was the key right from the get-go that night, the first night, at 120.
Yeah.
And -5, I think I did.
Okay.
And I did the same thing with this one.